Om Shri Sai Ram. First standard mathematics subject. Lesson name is Spatial Understanding. Today we are going to learn about position of the objects. First one is inside and outside. Observe the picture. Where do you find the two eggs? One egg is inside the cup and other one is outside the cup. See, one is inside the cup and other one is outside the cup. Observe here. Where are the spoons placed? Here two cups are there and spoons are there. Where are the spoons now? One spoon is inside the cup. See the first picture. In the first picture, spoon is inside the cup. In the second picture, the spoon is outside the cup. Here, where do you find the marbles? You can see here color marbles. Where do you see the marbles? Some marbles are inside the basket and some are outside the basket. See here, some marbles are inside the basket and some are outside the basket. In this picture, where do the birds lay eggs? Observe the picture carefully and tell me, where do the birds lay the eggs? The birds lay the eggs inside the nest. So, birds will lay the eggs inside the nest. The second topic is top and bottom. Observe this picture. Where are the cups placed? The cups placed at the top of the cupboard. See? The cups are placed on the top of the cupboard. Now, here books are arranged one by one. Now, which book is orange in color? The book at the bottom is in orange color. See here, the book at the bottom is in orange color. Observe this picture. Which color is on the top and which color is at the bottom, and where are the spoons kept? Now we are having three questions. I will tell again, which color is on the top and which is at the bottom, and where is the spoon kept? The green color is on the top, the blue color is at the bottom, the spoon is kept on the top. See here, green is on the top, blue is kept at the bottom, the spoon is kept on the top. So next topic is on, under and above, below. Observe here, where do you find the balls? Here two tables are there and two balls are there. Where are the balls? The ball is on the table in the first picture. The ball is under the table in the second picture. See here, the ball is on the table. Here ball is under the table. Now, what are objects there on the table and what are there under? So, here some objects are on the table and some objects are under the table. Now, tell me what objects are on the table and what are under the table? Yes, on the table, tape recorder and train. Under the table, ball and bell. See, this is on the table. tape recorder and train. Here ball and bell are under the table. Next topic is up and down. Now observe carefully. What are these children doing? Observe again. Yes, the first child is climbing up the hill and second child is climbing up the ladder. See, they are climbing up. They are climbing up. Now, what are these children doing? They are sliding down the slide. See, they are sliding down. They are sliding down. Now, next topic is nearer and farther. Observe picture. Which cone is nearer and which is farther to the wall? The bigger cone. See here, the bigger cone is near and the smaller is farther to the wall. Thank you. Sai Ram.